Hi, I'm Lovisa, President of Durham College, and I want to say welcome to our open house. Like many things in our world right now, we've had to adapt and change. So I would say welcome to our first ever virtual open house. At our open houses on an annual basis, I get the opportunity to welcome guests, potential students, parents, grandparents, and family, and listen to them and answer their questions. And besides, what does a president do question, the most popular question is, why Durham College? Well, why is because I believe even virtually, you'll find the right fit. You'll find the right program. You'll find a group of individuals, even virtually, who are welcoming, who deliver some of the best programs across this country, and an opportunity for you to experience who we are as an institution. We all work at Durham College to help our students succeed. And that's what our roles are, to help you as a potential student to succeed at Durham College and to build your life and to build your dream into your dream job. So I wanted to just say welcome, enjoy the tours, take the opportunity to visit the multiple of videos and conversations online. And I also ask you to join me on Instagram, and the information's on the website, for our live chat. So hopefully we'll talk to you later. Enjoy the tour, good luck, and we hope to see you in the fall at Durham College.